What's up guys, Gargasi back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can easily make subtitles on YouTube, on your videos. So let's get right into it. Okay, for subtitles, they have a sign called say, and those signs create a contribution. And basically it means if the viewer, like you guys, don't speak English or don't understand English, so they can click on those three buttons and click contributions, say, and translate it to their language. You're gonna see it in your YouTube analytics from where your audience are. So first of all, what you're gonna need is go to YouTube page and search your video up like this one. For example, this is an old video of mine that doesn't have creator contributions, say. Okay, so what you want to do is click on that edit video button, that blue button. And now as you have your YouTube where you edit all this stuff, go to transcription and you add language. English is automated. So we're gonna try to edit on that English because I have a feeling like this video, the voice wasn't like very good. Like here, what's up guys, gotta see you back. That's Gargas, me, not gotta. So you have to put a little bit of work in it. You have to click on that edit button, right, the unpublished button, and hit the edit, and then get yourself a pair of headphones. Listen to your video, and like in that box, like like every 10 seconds, hit pause, gotta edit, remove that gotta and put Gargas because I heard it right. And after all you check it right, everything looks good, click edit, publish edits, and after edits are published, you're gonna return to your studio again. All right. Hit again, hit refresh. That's automated. And then hit on again on edit YouTube Classic Studio. And then you want to click on actions and download a SRT file. We're gonna need that later because we are not going to translate every single line to the Indian language, Hindi or Dutch or Arabic. So we're gonna download STR and we're gonna go to the website called cdgabber.com/projectdst. I will leave down below a link where you can click it and automatically go to there. Once you have downloaded your STR file, you're gonna drag it and put it right there. All right, and as easy as it sounds, you're gonna select the language, and for example Arabic. I'm gonna hit translate and then click save as. Every single thing is translated right, and hit save as. It's gonna download Captions 1 AR, it stands for Arabic STR file. Go again to your YouTube channel, to your YouTube video, and hit add language. And once you have added the language, you're gonna choose Arabic, for example, like as we did. And we're gonna go to the subtitles column and hit add. It's gonna take us again to the old YouTube Creator Studio, and you hit upload a file. And the file you want to upload is the Captions 1 AR that we have downloaded. Like here, you're gonna say upload your file. You're gonna choose it, it's in your downloads folder, hit open and upload. That's simple. And after you hit upload, hit publish. That's it. You have created contributions with another language, like for example Arabic. The same thing goes for if you want to do Hindi, Australian, whatever language it's gonna be. Chinese, whatever. I have now English and Arabic. I can now add Hindi to the mix, maybe German, and like That's it. It's so easy to create greater contributions. Guys, I hope you liked this video and found it informative. If you liked it, be sure to give it a like. Subscribe for more awesome videos like this one. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.